Okay, look folks, I just wanted to talk about the FPV versus stabilized gimbal on the Evo 2. It seems to me as the bird is adjusting for the wind, the gimbal is in the FPV mode still. I think it should stay stabilized until it gets input from the sticks to go either left or right. Then it should go into FPV mode, but stay stabilized while it's just adjusting for the wind. In other words, when there's no inputs from the sticks. As you see here, as I'm just flying straight, it's still giving me a little bit of a tilt there. It's going into FPV mode. I think it should hold steady and wait for inputs from the sticks, because it looks a little confusing. It looks like the bird is actually confused on what's going on. It looks wobbly in the air. I don't know. I think there's more programming that needs to be done here. It's a little wonky, a little shaky looking, but if you look at the Anafi, sorry guys, I did this at night, but if you look at the Anafi, it's a lot smoother. It seems to me that it's doing just what I said the Evo should be doing, which is not going into FPV mode until it gathers some inputs from the sticks. So as it's sitting still or just flying straight, the gimbal is staying in that stabilized position. I think that's the better way to do it. Maybe Autel needs to look into this a little bit, or maybe I'm wrong. You guys let me know what's up. What do you think? Now we're just gonna cruise around, do a little orbit work. Enjoy, folks.